Prior to completing this tab, one should have previously specified the tabs for populations, continuation, initiation, and targets. One could complete either initiation or targets, or both. Once these prior tabs have been completed, then the inputs on the drug forecasting tab are relatively simple. First, enter the number of pills per client per day for PrEP. This is typically 1. Next, enter the cost per pill. Based on these two inputs, the tables below automatically complete, with the number of pills required for each month and the ARV costs associated with them. For program data, this is based on the next 3 months given current levels of initiation and continuation. Whereas for target setting, it's the monthly number of pills and costs based on the targets that have been set. That is all that is needed for this tab. Please refer to the user guide for more information, and thank you for watching.